In this video, we will do a comparative analysis of two premium AI tools. The first, ChatGPT. We all know ChatGPT very well. It's right from the beginning when the AI buzz started, we all knew what ChatGPT is all about. And we have seen how this tool has evolved over the past year or so. On the other hand, we have DeepSeek. Now, this is a tool which has created a buzz in the AI community, and we will see how, based on a certain list of parameters, we will compare both these tools. And as end users, we will see in what specific applications is ChatGPT better and in what applications is DeepSeek better, so that we as end users get the best of both worlds. I'm starting with a basic text-based prompt to compare the answers and also the response time of both these tools. What is the best way to reduce carbon footprints? We can notice that ChatGPT is quicker to generate an answer, whereas DeepSeek will take its own sweet time. But as we see, the answers are pretty much similar. Similar points are covered. ChatGPT has 6 major points, DeepSeek has 8. But if you just read all of the text, you will see that it's mostly the same points just presented in different manner. Now I'm going to switch on the search option of both ChatGPT and DeepSeek with the prompt suggest top online tools to track carbon footprint. Again, ChatGPT is quicker, and DeepSeek, due to technical issues, is not able to use the search option. This is something that I have been facing with DeepSeek for the past 2 to 3 weeks. You can also check our dedicated video on DeepSeek, where I have discussed this same problem of how DeepSeek is not able to use the search option due to technical issues. However, both of these tools have suggested us some good resources to track our carbon footprint. The only difference is, since the ChatGPT search option was working, we have clickable resources and URLs, whereas in DeepSeek, we have just the text-based answer where the URLs are mentioned, but you can't click them. As I use this text-based prompt, I notice a few things. The first is, if I select any text in ChatGPT, I can click on this reply option and I can give specific replies to ChatGPT based on certain sections of the answer. Can I do that in DeepSeek? Not really. So I'll have to probably copy paste it here and then ask DeepSeek about what it said. That's one thing. The other thing is, below the answer that ChatGPT generates, you have copy. Even here you have copy. Here you can give feedback as good or bad response. Here also you can like or dislike. You can read aloud an answer in ChatGPT. You cannot do that in DeepSeek. You can also edit it in Canvas. Now, what is Canvas? We have covered this in a dedicated video made on ChatGPT. What it simply means is, instead of copy pasting this somewhere else and editing it, you can edit it in-house in ChatGPT itself and then export any of the answer. That's not available in DeepSeek as of now. Also, ChatGPT offers multiple models: 4o mini, O3 mini, 4o, and you can also go with an auto mode. DeepSeek doesn't have that. Now, let's see how these tools fare when we ask them to explain an image. We have uploaded this image both in ChatGPT and DeepSeek. Let me also show you what the image is. This is the image about soil degradation. It's an infographic. And let's see how these tools explain this image. DeepSeek started responding earlier to this prompt, but if I have to compare their points, it's almost the same. If you see the major points, it is given a summary of all these 8 bullet points. I have uploaded this document, same document, on both the tools. I can see a message here in DeepSeek: extract only text from images and files. Let's see how it goes. So DeepSeek has started explaining the entire points which are there in this PDF, whereas ChatGPT is asking that, hey, you uploaded this file, now what do you want me to do with it? Let me ask it to explain this PDF. It has also given the reference and has also spoken about all these major points which are there in the document. And now ChatGPT has also come up with an explanation. So on this stage, I think both these tools perform in a similar manner. I did not see a major difference. Now I am going to test the reasoning capability of both these AI tools. How we are going to do that? For ChatGPT, we have the reason feature where it will think before it responds. And for DeepSeek, we have the DeepThink R1, which can be used to solve reasoning problems. I have taken the same reasoning problems for both the AI tools, which is based on probability and decision making. Now I will switch on the reasoning feature of both the tools. And now let's see how these two compare. ChatGPT has finished reasoning in about 5 seconds. If I click here, it will show me the thought process, and this is the answer. DeepSeek is still thinking. There's a pretty detailed analysis of what it's trying to do. So this is the thought process of both the tools. I'll minimize that. So the final answer that these two tools have given is the same, and that's the correct answer. Let's dive into what exactly is the difference between the thought process of ChatGPT and DeepSeek. Now, if you go into the specifics of how these two tools have thought about the problem, at the first impression, what I see is ChatGPT has relied on previous information to simply tell us what the solution would be, whereas DeepSeek has walked us through a step by step solution of the problem pretty logically to tell us how it has arrived to a solution. So, ChatGPT gets straight to the point and tells us that switching gives us a 2 by 3 chance of winning, while staying keeps you at 1 by 3. Whereas DeepSeek calculated the chance at every step, and to further confirm its analysis, it has also taken the example of 100 doors. So that's something which DeepSeek has done pretty well. It has extended its thinking and it has also offered some more insights. If you look into the analysis, it will talk about the misconceptions of the probabilities being 50-50, which is not true. So it's a bit slower, but it provides a very detailed explanation and also addresses misconceptions. But accuracy wise, both of these tools are perfectly accurate. So if you want a quick solution to your reasoning problem, ChatGPT is the best option. If you want to understand the process and kind of want someone to handhold you into how the problem is approached, then DeepSeek is the best. Now let us understand the image generation capabilities of both these tools. I'll feed it the same prompt and let's see how they generate images. So DeepSeek is not able to create images directly so far. It is given a detailed description of how a semiconductor lab can look. And though this explanation is pretty detailed, it can't generate images. Whereas ChatGPT has generated a very good image of a semiconductor lab. Though DeepSeek's image generation model has not been integrated into the main interface, they do have an image generation model called as Janus Pro 7B. It is available on Hugging Face. I will add the link in the description. And from here, you can view and use this model Janus Pro 7B. I have added a prompt here, and these are the images that it has generated. Let me click on that again to show you how it happens. Though this is not the official interface of DeepSeek, the model is developed by DeepSeek, as you can see here in the profile. So it says it will take roughly 32 seconds. That is also because of the time that Hugging Face platform takes to process data and prompts. Once this model is in the DeepSeek integrated chat, I expect better image generation times. Just to give you a glimpse of how it happens, these are a few images that Janus Pro 7B has generated. I can show it to you in full screen. So not very high definition, but just to give you an idea that DeepSeek does have this model. And in the coming days, I am sure they will integrate it into their main chat as ChatGPT has already done. Another thing that I have noticed is ChatGPT has a very strong community where there are multiple GPTs that you can choose from. Currently, DeepSeek doesn't have any of that. So for now, ChatGPT does have the benefit where specifically catered GPTs are defined, which you can use for some specific purposes. We have covered these GPTs in our dedicated video on ChatGPT. You can go there and take a look and understand what these GPTs are all about. If I talk about premium plans, ChatGPT offers various premium plans ranging from $20 per month up to $200 per month for Plus and Pro, and for business, it has $25 per month. DeepSeek for now does not offer any premium plans. Their V3 model, V3 is the one that we are using here. It's version 3 of DeepSeek, and their R1 model are free for all as of now. Coming to what cost did it take to build these two models, exact numbers are not available. I've heard discussions about DeepSeek being built for more than $5.5 million, but that only takes into account the cost of the pre-training of GPUs. The exact estimates that are coming out by expert and business analysts now talk about the total cost for building DeepSeek to be as close to 1.6 billion US dollars. Similarly, with ChatGPT, don't have exact numbers. OpenAI did report a loss of about 540 million US dollars in 2022. Definitely got to do with the development of ChatGPT. But exact number of the making cost of ChatGPT is also not available online. DeepSeek is open source, which means the code is freely accessible to all and people can build over it, just like Android. On the other hand, ChatGPT is not open source. I hope this video has helped you understand which AI tool is specifically better for which purpose. We have also made dedicated videos on both of these AI tools. Feel free to check that out in our YouTube channel, and feel free to use the comment section to give your feedback to us.